Okay, I'm making a little short video. I cleaned the filters. They all go back in there. This one, first filter, goes in like that. Slides it in. Next one takes two. And that goes in. Then this one. Goes in like that. Then the other one. On the top. Okay, they're all in. Then you put the I'm gonna get this on. It goes like that. Yeah, that way. I think I got it. That's why it's having trouble getting on, because this one's backwards. We're paying attention. The arrow. Got to turn it around. The airflow goes down. Airflow goes down. These are right, because these are all mesh up, and I can only go in one way because of the bottom has a slot that goes down, so it only goes one way. Okay, now it'll go on. Just having trouble going on. That one. That one. Plug the power back in. That turns it on and off. Back on. Push it in until it resets it. There. She's ready to go. That's the process for this AccuClean. Now I can go over and turn the thermostats on. Back to heat, and then back to on duty, or on. Set it for 70, it was set on 72. Okay, that's it.